Good day, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024. For the general situation, we have high pressure ridging continues to produce moderate to locally fresh winds across the Turks and Caicos Islands today. For special warnings, a heat advisory remains in effect for the Turks and Caicos Islands. Residents are urged to take immediate precautions to stay cool, hydrated, and avoid prolonged outdoor exposure to minimize the risk of heat-related illnesses such as heat cramps and heat exhaustion. For today's forecast for all areas, partly sunny with isolated showers possible this afternoon, partly cloudy with a very slight chance of scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms this evening. Chance of rain is 10%. Advisory: a small craft caution is in effect. Winds will be easterly at 10 to 20 knots, becoming northeast to east by this evening. Seas will be 2 to 4 feet near shore, building up to 4 to 6 feet offshore. Daytime high temperature is expected to rise to 92 degrees Fahrenheit with a heat index of 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Overnight low temperatures should dip to 82 degrees Fahrenheit this evening. Sunset will be at 7:28 p.m. and the next low tide will be at 11:36 a.m. and the next high tide at 6:19 p.m. For the extended forecast for the next 2 days, a tropical wave will move into the Turks and Caicos Islands on Thursday, increasing showers and thunderstorms activity across the islands into Friday. Forecast for Thursday: a chance of showers and thunderstorms during the day, partly to mostly cloudy with a high near 90. Chance of rain is 40%. Showers and thunderstorms likely in the evening, mainly after 8 p.m. Mostly cloudy with a low around 80. Chance of rain is 60%. New rainfall accumulation between a quarter and a half of an inch, except higher amounts possible in thunderstorms. For advisories, expect gusty winds and higher seas in or near showers and thunderstorms. A small craft advisory will come into effect by early afternoon. Small craft operators should remain near or in port. Winds will be northeast to east at 15 to 20 knots, becoming easterly in the evening. Seas 2 to 4 feet, building up to 6 to 9 feet offshore in northeasterly to easterly swell by the early afternoon along Atlantic exposures. Forecast for Friday: periods of showers and thunderstorms, mostly cloudy to overcast with a high near 88. Chance of rain is 90%. Showers likely and possibly a thunderstorm in the evening. Partly to mostly cloudy with a low around 79. New rainfall amounts between a tenth and a quarter of an inch, except higher amounts possible in thunderstorms. For advisories, expect gusty winds and higher seas in or near showers and thunderstorms. A small craft advisory will remain in effect, and small craft operators should remain near or in port. Winds will be east to southeast at 15 to 20 knots, subsiding to 10 to 15 knots in the evening. Seas will be 3 to 5 feet in sheltered areas or in the Caicos Bank, 6 to 8 feet offshore in northeasterly to easterly swells along the Atlantic exposures. For the tropical weather outlook, a large tropical wave located near the Lesser Antilles continues to produce a broad area of disorganized shower and thunderstorm activity. A tropical depression could form by this weekend while the system is in the vicinity of the Greater Antilles, the Northwest Bahamas, or near Florida. This system has a medium 60% chance of development over the next 7 days. And that is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024 by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Friday.